Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Thank you for learning English with us today.
Today's lesson is easy, useful, and very real.
Yes, today we learn how to talk about your job in English.
This topic is great for daily life. You can use it at work, with friends, or in an interview.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. We speak slowly. We repeat a lot.
You are in a safe place to practice English.
Before we start, please like this video
Share it with a friend who wants to practice English.
and subscribe for more easy English every day.
All right, let's begin.
Let's start with a very common question.
People often ask, "What do you do?"
This question means, what is your job?
You can answer with, "I am a teacher."
Or, I work as a teacher.
Repeat with us. I am a teacher.
I work as a teacher.
Good job.
Here are more examples. I am a student. I am a driver. I am a shop assistant.
You can also say, I work in an office. I work in a hospital.
Simple and clear.
Next question. Where do you work?
I answer, I work in an office.
I answer, I work at a school.
Notice the words in and at.
We say, in an office, in a factory, at a school, at a hospital.
Repeat after us. I work in an office.
I work at a school.
Great job! Now let's talk about what you do at work.
You can start with, at work, I.
For example, at work, I answer emails.
I say, at work, I talk to customers.
More easy examples. At work, I use a computer. At work, I make food.
Repeat. At work, I use a computer.
At work, I talk to customers.
Nice.
Let's add time words. You can say, I usually start work at 9.
Or, I finish work at 5.
Repeat slowly. I start work at 9.
I finish work at 5.
Good job!
Now let's talk about how you feel about your job.
You can say, I like my job.
Or, my job is busy.
Other easy feelings. My job is easy. My job is hard.
Repeat with us. My job is busy.
My job is interesting.
Great pronunciation.
You can also say, I am tired after work.
That's very real English.
Now let's practice a short, real conversation.
Listen first.
Hi, David. What do you do?
I'm a shop assistant. What about you?
I'm a student. Where do you work?
I work in a supermarket.
What do you do at work?
I help customers and clean the shop.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. It's busy but fun.
Great example.
Now, repeat with us.
Today, you learned how to talk about your job in English.
We practiced, what do you do? Where do you work? What do you do at work?
These are very important questions.
Practice a little every day. You are doing great.
Now it's your turn.
Now, it's your turn.
What do you do and where do you work?
Write your answer in the comments.
Simple sentences are perfect.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
See you next time. Keep learning, keep practicing.